Hello and welcome to the lock-in. Today I've got this Series E30 iFAM padlock. Quite a decent little padlock. 4 pins, there it is. And it feels like the security pins it's in, at least spools anyway. It's taken me a little while to get this picked, but I think we've got it figured out now, so I'll do it on camera. There's the lock, locked up. Where's the keys? There they are. It's a working padlock. There are the keys. That's the button on the key. So let's get this picked. I need 2 picks for this. One is the half diamond to get right to the back. Start with pin 4. That was pin 4 that went. Pin 3. Bit of a touch on 2. I'm going to go to the hook now and try and get pin 1 up, which needs to go right up. Counter rotation. It's hard to get the angle and get that pin up. There, it's in and locks open. But for such a small lock, I've had to use 2 different picks. Only pick locks that you own, and keep it legal.